Good
Hey,
morning.
how's it going?
I'm good. How are you?
Doing all right. How was your weekend?
I'm still not feeling 100%, so it's okay though. I got
Hey,
Gotcha.
Dad
Jeff.
was here with two of his
Hey,
friends.
Alex, how's it going?
All right.
How was your weekend?
That's pretty good.
Good, good.
Yeah. Hey, your background is real, correct?
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
It is.
Nice.
I don't know how much of it. I can't see from my end. It doesn't. I don't know if it's blurred at all or if it shows what you guys are seeing on your end. But I can never tell if it's like
I
clear
can
or
see
not.
your window with the microphone and the lamp in the back.
Okay,
Yeah.
got it. Because yeah, for me, you can't see the skyline in the background on my end, but sometimes it like people see like yeah, I can see the Freedom Tower or One World Trade. But
No, it's too much glare.
gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Let's see. Okay. Do either of you have any questions or anything that I could answer off the jump
Yeah.
for help?
Um, Nothing directly specific. I was going to ask about social media.
Okay.
That's more of like, next thing I want to work on type of thing.
Okay.
Um,
Got it.
but nothing immediately pressing. I was having that one issue. It was resolved that I mentioned. I'm still for some reason having it, and maybe you could just take a quick look. This is where I'm going in on the setup, and for some reason I'm losing the ability. I sent a request to share.
Okay. You should be good to share now.
Let me know if you can see it. I'm losing the ability you see here to click on anything.
Let's see. What happens when you check mark the box next to Sheikh Saim?
There's
No,
no
the
check.
no,
Oh,
yeah,
it is
now,
there. You know what?
yeah.
I feel so little so. It's I'm having a resolution thing, I think, because you can't at least on my computer I can't see that.
Oh,
Um,
weird.
I think the highlight is, can you see the box when it's not checked? Like, can you see that
Um,
there? I mean, there it is,
yeah, I can
highlight.
see it checked.
Yeah, I can see it, but I can't see that there are boxes here.
Oh, then that must be something with your
That's
monitor,
a
your
monitor
display then.
resolution thing.
Yeah.
I gotta figure that one out. That was the issue because I kept saying, oh, I can't find it, and I didn't realize it was to the left, to the right side of here. So without being able to check that, can't do anything.
Got it. Okay. Interesting.
Um, okay.
All right. Alex, did you have anything in particular?
No, I did not. I did not.
Okay.
I do not.
Okay. And so Robert, you mentioned was there another issue that you're
Not an
that
issue. So the next thing I wanted to do was social media posts. I thought
okay.
that it could be a little, again, there are a lot of things that we can do, and there's so many steps. Um, but what is the simplicity of it? Like if I go into, is it download everything into media storage? Is it just go into marketing? What are
Uh
best
well
practice?
what's the
So
use
here,
case or the application that you're trying to
okay.
accomplish?
So I put together multiple on Canva. I put together uh, that's the wrong one. Here, avoid the overwhelm. Wrong one. Still. Okay. So I put together multiple posts to go out, designed in various capacities. I mean, I don't know how many are here, like 30 some odd, let's say. So
Okay.
I want to create a social media calendar
Okay.
for these. A lot of the, I think, difficulty I have is, okay, now it's here. I can share it. I can set it up through here for social media, but I want this to run through LeadBuddy. That's the idea,
Okay.
right?
Right.
So
So
you go
what
to
you would do is,
LeadBuddy
yeah.
into here. Okay, so yeah, so that's kind of where I'm at, and I want to be able to kind of take that next step.
Okay. So then what you would do on the Canva side is just download the folder of files. Usually if there's multiple, it would do it in like a multiple PDF or a zip folder, I forget.
Yep, you could do zip, so I could download it. And the best way to do it is for
Just use the save download button on the left there.
this one, just
No, the one to the left of that. One
for
more.
ah, oh, that would be download section.
Yeah, and then that'll save it
PNG.
as 36 different PNGs, and then you would just upload that folder into your media folder within, or media storage folder within LeadBuddy.
Just take a second. Okay. I'm just gonna put in downloads for now.
Yep. All right, and then I mean you can keep it in media storage or you can keep it on your computer, but just you would, there's two different pathways you can go to get it into a post on LeadBuddy now. So you can go into the LeadBuddy back over there.
So there's got to be move to new folder, import, show.
Where what do you want to move it to? I'm confused.
I was just gonna move it to where's my Google Drive. Okay. I'm just gonna leave it there for now. Let me go back into LeadBuddy. Okay.
Yeah. So you can either drag that whole folder into media storage or you can just hit new post here.
What do you recommend?
I personally, I just do post individually because it ultimately doesn't matter really where it's housed on your computer. Yeah, you can just do new post and then click on whichever social media account you want it to go to.
Yeah, you see, these are all very light. I gotta check my resolution. I think that's a internal computer thing. You're saying select a social media account.
Yeah, so it looks like none of you have to reconnect those connections. Yeah, so just go through and hit the reconnect button on each of those one by one. To the right.
Got it. Let's see it.
Yeah. Okay. So then,
Oh, it only gives you a short window.
yeah, each of the social media platforms, they have a limited window of time that that token is valid for, just for security measures on their end. So there's not really a workaround for that.
Is it a few weeks or?
It's 60
Usually
days.
it's like 60 days or 30 days. I think
Yeah.
most of them are 60 or more.
Yeah.
And generally speaking, if you're using this, I think that automatically like refreshes it. So if you're using it, it prolongs how long.
Got it. It's been a while.
Okay.
Okay, so those are all now reconnected.
Okay. And then hit new post again.
Post, create new post. So social.
And then, yep, just go ahead and check all of them. Or if
There's
you,
probably a check somewhere. Select all. I
yeah,
can see them. I gotta fix the resolution.
yep. So
Um,
now check out of that real quick.
and feed. I always forget the difference. Reel is
Reel
stories.
is only for video.
Stories the one that disappear. Feed is on your main platform.
Yep.
Got it.
So click out of the drop down,
Click out of the drop down.
go a little bit higher up. Yeah, and then just select the drop down again to the left. Nope, up right by where all the icons are next to each other. Yeah, just click on that again, and that should close it again. No, yeah, click there. Nope, left click. See, it like disappears for a split second, and then it comes back up. So click on the down arrow right
Something's
on the
missing.
down. There's a down arrow to the right there that you're probably not able to see. Nope. Unselect that one again. Yep. Okay, so now do you see the picture icon towards the middle? Go over to the left, down a little bit,
You
down.
got me for some reason.
Yeah, so a little bit like, do you see the purple icon, the AI?
Yeah,
Yeah, so go four over. Yep, click on that, and then do upload media from media library. And
got it.
then,
But it's not in
yeah, so,
here. So I need to upload
right.
downloads. Um,
Do recents, or, yeah, there you go. And you can do, yeah, Command A to select all of them. And then just open. And then for today, whichever one you want to
so
do.
slowly. Now these are all here's the I download them. I set them all up for LinkedIn.
Okay.
Ideally, I should probably download. I should really do this in LinkedIn and not in Facebook, right? And download them. Go into Canva and reset them as Facebook.
I'm confused. What do you mean by
Um,
Facebook?
when I went into Canva, that's not Canva. I went to Canva. I went here and I set resize.
Oh, okay.
I went to LinkedIn post to make it ideal as opposed to like a Facebook post or Instagram.
I don't think that's necessary. If it's the aspect ratio is the exact same. If it's good enough for Facebook, it'll be good enough for LinkedIn.
Okay.
Yeah, because if you the important part is the aspect ratio, and if you have a 2048 by 2048, it'll be good enough for both LinkedIn and Facebook.
The other thing I was playing around with this in order to on my main Canva page, on my business page, that it says it should be a 180 by something resolution for my logo.
Okay.
Anyway, it's separate. I'll show you after. Okay, so if I just wanted to grab any one of these,
Double click on it to select it. Yeah, and so you can see what it looks like on each of those.
so yeah, is it too small? Is this mean it's too small with the black on the background?
No, it's just showing the entire, like
That's
that's not going to actually appear.
that's for this one. For
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So I tried to, it's interesting. I tried to do an overlap here and an overlap with the post-it. This should click. It says click. I don't know if it will. I don't know if I should even try.
But on the other one, the black shades will show on each side.
It may, but that's also Google, and I don't really do that much through Google, or at
Gotcha.
least haven't started that.
Okay.
Okay, so then if that's this, then um, feel like I gave this to. This is another post I wanted to get out, but I think I sent this to what's his name, Sheik,
Yeah.
but I'm not sure.
So what are you trying to find?
I have the content for it.
Okay, the copy, the caption.
Yeah, and it's to give you dates. 11. I don't know, maybe I put this in the other one for him. No, we were just in ChatGPT. Should still be here. Nope.
Um,
Anyway, so if here, yeah, short
so I mean,
blurb
this
for.
can we can handle this offline, but this I don't want to take too much time on this topic. But
Well, I think we're good.
yeah, you can just go back to LeadBuddy and whatever caption, whether you want to just use a test one, you can just copy and paste in there, and it'll be able to post with that. But so I mean, do you have a good grasp on that workflow now as far as posting?
I think so.
Okay.
I'm just gonna grab this and just drop it right in.
Okay. And then you can either post it right now or schedule it for a different date and time. So
Back to this. Write your post here. There we
yeah.
go.
And then if you want a different caption for each of them,
Each
you can.
one, I could go into each one here.
Well, you'd have to go up and select the customize for each option. Yeah, each channel at the top.
Customize for each. Okay, but if I didn't,
Yeah.
um,
That one is going across all of them.
and best practices, I always forget. So one of the programs says don't put websites and email addresses and phone numbers in posts, right? I think Facebook doesn't like that.
I haven't really seen anything as far as not having it, but a lot of times if you have multiple links in there, it screws up which one the preview is for. So sometimes if you have a link to a video in the post and you want people to schedule a consult, you want to put the link to your calendar in the first comment below.
In the first comment, that's what I was saying. Yeah. And I
or put
think
at the
that
bottom see the link in the comments for booking time on my calendar.
it does have DM, but how then do we make sure that it links into LeadBuddy?
Then
I guess
whatever. I mean, I personally don't use DM us to do this or whatever. I say book time on our calendar below.
Okay. So book time our
So
calendar below, and then you would just add
the calendar link.
So if I just put this one in, this is that networking one.
So I mean, you're still using the wrong links. I'd sent you over the custom
I am?
branded links for you. Yeah, that
Oh,
your calendar links should not have LeadBuddy anywhere in there.
I was
I
wondering.
created links for you, again, going back into the funnels. those links are branded specifically to you and not showing. I mean, I would love for you to market
Where
the
do I,
LeadBuddy links, but
no, it's fine. Where do I, so here, instead of here, that's the last thing, and I'll drop that. I'll drop it from here. In LeadBuddy, oh, see, I would have to go out of here. I'd have to save this for later.
here, I'll share
Let me
my screen
save for
again.
later. I save for later. Where do I go to grab those?
So you would,
Somebody who needs my link. I just spoke to someone. They want to book time.
yep. Are you guys able to see my screen?
No, let me stop sharing.
Yes.
Okay.
I
So
can't.
you are going to go into sites.
I can't see
All right,
your screen.
all right, let me share again. So again, you're going to go into sites, active calendar funnels, and then each of these has, so if I'm doing next steps, unlocking growth together. All right, let's see, publishing. No, that one we didn't set up. It was your networking 1-to-1. That was the one that we set up first. So, and this is in LeadBuddy in our Slack chat too. Let's see.
But yeah,
So this is remember this calendar link that I sent in Slack? Does that look familiar?
vaguely.
Okay, so I told you to bookmark that and then have it at the top of your browser. And then anytime you need to reference that link, you just drop that in there.
So I
So
have
anytime it's a network.
links, networking 1-to-1. Yes, I have that. Go.nyckadvisors.com, networking 1-to-1. But I didn't know where to pull those after we had changed it.
Okay, so
So now I know. I go into. I don't
well,
go
not
into.
only that's too far for you to like in your browser at the top. You should have icons. Can you see all these icons going across?
Hold on, I gotta get back to your screen. Where do we go? Where are you? Zoom, sorry. Yes. Where are we? Yeah, that's
So
what. So I have that. I have that folder. Remember I showed you, and it says LeadBuddy, and
yeah.
that's how I get into
So
LeadBuddy.
anytime you need to reference a link on your calendar.
So
Yeah, but I have a link specifically to my calendar funnel, and so anytime I need to
then
grab that, I just copy and paste
copy
it.
and paste it.
So I
Off.
don't even need to open LeadBuddy for that.
Yeah. That's what I did. I set that up. I went in. I created a folder. And within my folder is it's a LeadBuddy folder. It has the LeadBuddy link. It has our what's it called? What do we use to communicate? Everything.
Slack.
No, the up.
Click up.
Click up. Yep. And then I have the calendar link. So I just have to add the other ones. Like I have the smart goals worksheet.
Okay.
In there as well. So I can send those out. So those are all set up though. Let me back down this again. In automations.
No, those are in sites and then funnels.
Sites. I always want to go to automations. Active calendar funnels.
Yep. And then all the links are in there.
I have all the links in here. Got it.
All
Now,
the funnels and all
only
the links
question I have is, do we have to make any changes? And we could do this offline, but so I sent a message in Slack the other day. So we started doing stuff with that nyckadvisors.com.
Okay.
But the website, the goal is to get that at nyckcoaching.com.
Okay.
Is that an issue, or we're just going to have two sites?
No, we can, as long as you have domain access to NYCK coaches and you can add me or my team member to that, but there's not an issue.
Well,
So
remember, I sent you the message. It's offline right now.
Right. So then today, our goal is to get what we have built in here on websites live to that domain.
Okay. And then, and somehow on your end, you'll figure it out that these things, even though they say advisors or whatever, they all link together.
Correct. Yeah. And once we put this website up, I can always just make those calendar funnels go.nyck coaching instead of nyck advisors.
Okay.
Let me
Yeah,
check.
we had talked about this from the standpoint that I had it, and to avoid sometimes where I'm doing too much from one space, we could utilize. That's more of a technical thing that I don't even want to start speaking about, but okay.
Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna go into delegate access. Are you in here? Is your domain through GoDaddy or which one was it again?
Both in GoDaddy. And I think at some point I gave that to you guys, but we could do it again and I can give you guys whatever you need.
Okay. Yeah. If you can give me domain access to that, to my shop at Cas Consulting email, that would be helpful. I can
Do me
manage
a
all the domains and put the website live.
do me a quick favor and just in Slack or in anything, just send me so I can copy and paste the correct email address.
Okay. Sounds good. Cool. All right.
Hey, Chef, one quick question.
Yeah.
The only question right now is yes or no. If I have 20 or 50 images and I upload them to LeadBuddy, can I then, is there a way whereby I can say, hey, go ahead and schedule them on my social media one a day and click?
Yeah. So
Okay. Listen, if we're out of time, I can start uploading them and then next time you can show me how.
yeah. Here, let me. I do want to make sure I set time with you. So I'm gonna. Oh, that's not mine. I just put my calendar link in the chat here. Let's go ahead and line up a one-to-one just so we can make sure to cover any questions that you have.
Okay, very well. I'll go do that right now.
Awesome.
Great.
Sounds good. Well, yeah, thank you both for
John,
jumping
do you
on.
know where
Appreciate it. Yeah.
do you know where I put you in as to give you access?
There should be a section called Delegate Access, and then from there it should
Like in
say
account
Invite.
settings?
Yeah, Account Settings, Delegate Access, and then there's two columns, and then there's people who can access my account. So you would add me on the side.
Mind if I just share this you quickly so I don't forget to do this?
Yeah, sure.
I'm in GoDaddy now.
Okay, you want to share your screen?
Yep. Just gotta get back into Zoom.
Okay. Account settings. Go up. Click on the down arrow. No, the drop down next to account settings. No, back up. Yeah, right there. And then do delegate access. And then invite to access on the right side.
Yeah, Chris that was Focus.
Okay.
Oh, but they still have it, and I think they have advisor still. I guess they don't really even need it. And I don't know if we should mess with that. Let's just stick with NYCK coaching.
Okay, so do the invite to access button.
Oh, Nick is the one who set it up for me.
Okay.
Invite to access.
Yeah, and then I just will put my email here. You can just put shop and then put it directly in the chat. In the Zoom chat.
Got it.
Yeah.
Oh, is she getting all this?
Yeah. Yeah, right.
There should be an M at the end of that. Didn't copy and paste all the way. You should do this. The second one's fine. And then do invite. Cool. Okay, that should be it.
You'll see when you get in here, there's
All three of them.
advisors, There are 5 domains and advisors. NYCK Coaching Academy is a single domain. And then my business is the NYCK Coaching one. So
Got it.
there's NYCK Advisors. I pulled, that was the original. I pulled everything like netcom, all the variable domains.
Got it.
It's just
Okay,
pick the
sounds good.
name for your site. Wait, did something happen?
Oh, it looks like it's down because your domain hosting ran out. Click this.
It's just on auto pay.
Currently have a free site. Pick a plan to use.
Because it was,
Go back to domain. You're on website right now. Go back to domain. Yeah, do the. No, you're good. Never mind. You're good. You don't need to do
I
anything.
had them all on renew.
Yeah, so you're fine.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
here.
But yeah,
Coaching,
that
protect. Oh, this is if I wanted to add, like I did with the other one.
yeah.
I don't know, maybe I should for $24.
No,
It's just
not,
first.
yeah, not necessary.
Okay, so you have everything now.
Yeah, I do.
Awesome.
Cool.
Thank you.
All right. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.
Thanks. You
All
too.
right,
Bye,
we'll talk to you guys
Alex.
next-
Bye,
All right,
Chop.
take care.
Bye bye.